Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of the text in Premiere Pro. I will also share with you how you can make the color change in your video. It is quite simple. Let's go ahead with the tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to drag our video in the project panel. Then double click on the video, and from the source monitor panel we crop part of the video of our interest using the mark in and mark out tools. Then we drag our video into the timeline panel. We click on the type tool and go to the program monitor panel. Here we can type any text we wish. Let's type Golden Gate Bridge. Then we select our text and we need to go in the effect controls panel. If you cannot find the effect controls panel, you simply go to Windows and you click on the effect controls. You can access it using Shift and 5 key in Windows and Shift and 5 key in Mac. In the effect controls panel, we scroll down and press the appearance option. From here we can change the color of the text to green, purple or whatever color fits our video. Now to change the color of the text in the video, we need to use the source text feature. So let's forward the video and click on the stopwatch keyframe to set the initial color. Then forward the video 20 frames and change the color to, let's say, red. And you can see that a keyframe is automatically created. Then we can forward the video 20 frames more and we can change the color of the text to another color. Let's consider gold. We forward the video another 20 frames and we change the color to, let's say, blue. And you can also change the font of your text in the video, not just the color. So let's forward the video 20 frames more and let's change this one to green. Then click on the program monitor panel and press enter to render the frames of the video. And this is how you change the text color and create a nice color change in your video. I hope this video helped you guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.